Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download the new College Football 25 for free. This is a trial version, so I think you're going to only have it for a limited amount of time. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is head over to PlayStation Store or whatever you're on, Xbox, PC. Just go to the store, go to search, and then you're going to go down to where it says EA Sports College Football 25, or you could just type the game name in as well. And what you want to do is you want to go to, let's quickly wait for it to load. Alright, give me 1 second. Okay, so alright, there we go. So right here it's going to be game trial, and if you subscribe to EA Play to get a 10-hour game trial, so you can basically have the game for 10 hours for free, and you can decide if you want to actually play it or not, because the game is expensive. It is $100. It's more than like what the average game costs. So if you want to see like, let me test it out before actually buying it, you can do that. You can get the trial. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.